I would like to start with channel access because I want you to see the existing descriptions and thumbnails that are there and how they're helping us. We are growing quickly in India, which happens to be where you are. So we're happy that we're getting traction there in India, and you may be able to exploit that faster because you know more of the culture there.
This is
Okay,
Paravi
sounds
and Shabnam and me. We are teammate and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Shabnam has audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. So if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
What did you say at the last minute? What was that last question? If you had any questions. Yes, my concern was only about the pricing. Subnam offered the $300 for 30 videos, and our pricing is such to where we cannot add thumbnail cost in addition to that. So my question is, can you do a opportunity for us to where thumbnails would also be included for a price around $300, even if it's less videos in terms of the long form videos?
Okay, our price and package is almost similar for all of our client, and till now we work with 700 client. But as you are comer to us, and we want to build a long-term relationship with you, we will consider this your request, and we will consider this, and we will try to include our thumbnail to your package. No problem.
Okay, and last question, have you, or I know Subnam has seen our thumbnails. So I just want to make sure that our thumbnails would be in line with what we already have because our right now.
Yeah,
And just to let you,
definitely. We will design your thumbnail, and if you have any revision, then we will revision it, and till you satisfied, we will revision it. No problem.
and I thank you, sir, for this time. I know it is late there. We look forward to working with you long term. One more question that I had before I let you go is, I think you've answered most of them. You shared your links. Any other children's videos that you've done other than the one Sabnan has sent? And uh, which channels have you taken to monetization from the very start?
Okay, we work with 700 clients all around the world and lot of child related channel also. But we will send you the case study of them, some of them, and after finishing the meeting, our team members of now will send some of case studies, and then you can judge. But our client security is very important to us because
Hmm.
we can't share any clients links, any clients informations without their concern. So we also send you some case study previously we done, then you can just no problem.
So you do work with clients that are in monetization because that's what we're headed. We're trying to get to
Yeah,
monetization.
monetization is a long term process, because if we do your videos today, then you will not get instant results, because we will try our best, and then definitely if you upload quality content and we do thumbnail, attractive thumbnail, then gradually you will going to the monetizations.
Okay, sir. I thank you for your time. I think the only other question I had was how do we begin the process with you? So, Sabnam did give us the portals of pay. So how do we start? Will you send me a invoice or an offer? How does that work?
Our work starting system is when you hire us, you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited, then we can do each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, at first you can start with the video links. You just send your video links, then we will optimize from our side and make a report sheet, then we will hand over to you. Then you have to implement this by yourself, thumbnail and metadata. And our work starting system, when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer and PayPal. So that is all about the things. So how you want to start, with the link or channel access?
I would like to start with channel access because I want you to see the existing descriptions and thumbnails that are there and how they're helping us. we are growing quickly in India, which happens to be where you are. So we're happy that we're getting traction there in India, and you may be able to exploit that faster because you know more of the culture there.
Okay, sounds good. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will knock to you and he will send you an invoice also for 300 USD, 30 videos for 1 month and 30 videos thumbnail also.
Okay. And you said that was half, some of them said weekly. So you're saying now it's 50% or is it weekly? Which one is it?
Weekly, we have another package, but we now we talking about for the monthly. So we just you can give 50% advance right now and 50% rest of the after finishing the work.
Okay. And so we will continue right now with Sabnam from this fifth day forward. Is that what we do?
Yeah, Sabnam would be your contact person, and then she will be on task with you, and she will be work and optimized for your channel and thumbnail.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
If
thank
you
you.
can, I'd like a copy of this recording as well.
Definitely, I will send this recording to you also, no problem. And our client satisfaction is our first priority, and we try to believe in long-term relationship because if I provide you the better service today, then definitely you will hire us for the next day, and this is
That's
our
right.
profession.
Okay. Thank you. We agree. We
Yeah,
agree. Thank you very much for
yeah,
your time.
yeah. Bye bye.